Okay, so now I'm gonna install the tail lights finally. Since I got all the lights working, I'm gonna clean it up first. These are nice, just dirty. I removed them 5 years ago. So we're gonna clean them up real good. I'm gonna take some air and blow them out. So be back before I install it. Here I'm applying that lens gloss compound just to make these lenses look like new. They were already in excellent condition, both of them. Just like the interior of this car, near flawless when I got it. It just was an unfortunate incident that happened to the previous owner, or the original owner, back in the early 80s, where they weren't able to drive the car, and it set up for all those years. That's why the undercarriage was really nice still, and it drove very good. For a 51,000 mile car, you know, you can expect it to drive like it drove, but here I am just rescuing it, putting it back together like it was, just saving it. A car that had been sitting up for probably over 30 years. All right, time for us to install these. These are painted beautifully. I did a really, really good job painting these. And despite them being dirty, they look incredible. But I want to show you all something a step that I didn't do. I was going to do it initially, but everything was fine to me. Let me show you all. I bought these gaskets just in case I wanted to take the lenses out of this housing, but these are fine. You can look in there, you can see them. They're right in that seam. So if you move the light, you can just see the gasket. That's it back there. You can see it. All right, done with this side. Those gloss bezels look great. Show you all this here. So we got, this is what I was using. Right there, right there. And once you go to tighten it up, it sucks into place inside of this housing. It'll start, the lenses will start to protrude to know you're in place. Once you know it's seated in there firmly. Another one here, another one there, there, and there. Those cutting nuts. All right. That looks good. Let me get a thumb there. Let me do the other side, and I'll be back in a minute. When I clean all this up, it's gonna look good. It really is. Okay, done with both sides. And look. When I clean this up, it's gonna look really good. those gloss black bezels are really hidden off with the paint. Like, goes perfect together. So I'm not going to install the lights yet. That'll be in another video because I still have some things to do back here. I'm dealing with the alarm. I'm going to finish it up and I'll show you all a video about the alarm and how I got it. But yeah, we're in. And they look nice. All right. So all the lighting is working properly now in the vehicle. These last few clips, I'm going to show you all the lights that I installed, and we're going to see the end results with them installed inside of the lenses and see how they look. So that's what I'll be showing now as the video closes out.